my channel. Today I have my wonderful mother and my wonderful sister, and we just went to Nordstrom and did a little bit of damage. So we figured we would show what each of us got, and yeah, we got some pretty good stuff. So let's just get into it. Who wants to go first?
I'll go first.
Okay. What do we got?
Do I have to show everything or?
Yes, Mom.
Okay,
yes.
all right.
We want to see it all.
Okay.
It's a haul.
All.
It's a haul.
Okay, so first, Steve Madden.
Always a good go-to.
I always love Steve Madden because every time I put their shoes on, they fit. I don't get blisters.
Yeah, that's true.
That's why I like Steve Madden. So anyways.
And they're nice basic shoes. They're not fucking crazy.
So, this is what I got.
So they have a little bit of a heel in them, but not noticeable.
It's kind of a fake high heel.
Yeah.
So my heel kind of goes up to there, and then...
Is it good?
Yeah. So
Nice
that's what I got.
Nice taupey color.
Taupe color, ready for fall. Just jogging into fall. The next thing I got was a pair of slides, and these are by Halogen, which I believe is a Nordstrom. Is it a Nordstrom?
I never know.
I can't remember. Anyways,
I'll be borrowing
nice box.
these.
Nice box.
You'll
be borrowing these?
Yes, I will be.
So just a pair of slides, black slides, almost like a velvet.
Yeah, it looks like it.
But they're kind of cool because they don't have any gold or anything on them. They're just a very simple, plain slide. They look really cute with jeans. So these are my slides.
Yep.
Nordstrom's.
Cute.
And then I got a pair of skinny jeans. Cut is the make, and they're high-rise Donna jeans, and they're skinny jeans, which are really cool.
They're like an elasticy.
Yes, they've got a bit of a stretch because you need to stretch with
comfort
jeans. Comfort is first.
Comfort is key.
Yes. So for fall, nice dark pair of jeans,
and
which I need. No rips, no tears at the ankle, just a good pair of dark jeans. And then the last thing I got was these candles. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in a set for $40, which are really cool. So I can put one in the kitchen, a couple in the bathroom, wherever, or I could even just split them and give them as Lisa's room, yeah, or give them as
so these are
a hostess gift or whatever. Voluspa, V-O-L-U-S-P-A. Yeah, really cool candles. Anyways, we opened the package in the store. We smelt every one, and they were all really, really nice.
Yeah, there was no bad one.
No bad one in the bunch.
Yeah, there was another set that we didn't like as much.
Yeah, we didn't like as much. So these ones are really cool. So yeah, so that was my big splurge for today.
You want to go next?
I'll go next. Alright. So, to start, every person needs a basic pair of socks. So I got the little sockettes because I hate wearing socks, especially in running shoes. I don't like when my socks show. That's why most of the time I go bare feet, but my family likes to say my feet are a little stinky. So I decided to get some socks to help prevent that problem.
Peppy Le Pew Pew.
The second thing I got was this beauty blender set. It comes with 2 beauty blenders, a soap to clean your blender, and then it comes with a case that you can carry your beauty blenders so your makeup doesn't get everywhere.
It's 45 bucks.
Yeah, 45 bucks, which is pretty good. Oh, and my socks were $9.99 each. Just to throw that out there. And the last thing I got,
splurge of the day.
It was a bit of a splurge.
I think this was the biggest splurge.
Mark Fisher boots. I'll open them up for y'all. So they are these fall boots. They have like these little what do you call these, studs on them, and they have like a what caught my eye was the big like silver line that goes across the front. I thought they'd be really cool because I'm going to school in the city now, so I need to up my style a little more. So I think these are going to be perfect for fall.
They have a zipper on them, or are they stretch?
No, they're elastic. They're elastics.
Elastic. Wow, good. So it's kind of a slip on.
And we saved $100 on these. So yeah, that's the third thing I got. So that's all I got actually.
traveling, I also got one of those sets of candles, the same one. Figured
Cheers.
I might as well
Cheers.
stock up on some candles. I also picked up the beauty blender set, which we thought was a really good deal because you get 2 beauty blenders and each blender, like on its own, is $28 Canadian. So you're already saving a lot just by getting the whole kit.
Is that the regular size?
Yeah, it's the regular size beauty blender in like a pale pink color, and then so each one is 28. So when you think it's $45 for each one, a
Plus
cleaner and a case, which I really wanted the case. This is the main reason why I got it, because it has the holes in it. So when you go traveling, you can actually like put it in your bag and it breathes, so it's not all the moisture isn't staying in your beauty blender after you use it.
So you wash it, put it in there, and just let it.
Yeah, so when you put it in your makeup case, it's not getting all over the inside of it.
Cool.
I also picked up the Charlotte Tilbury Glowing Pretty Skin palette. So this is the Powder Contour Blush and Glow. So it's $85 and the value of it was $188 regular price, which is crazy. And it's got a really big, let me open it to see. It's got like a really big mirror inside of it. I've never had a Charlotte Tilbury makeup before.
No?
No.
And nice colors.
Yeah, it's got like really pretty colors, 2 blushes, 2 highlights, and then like an under eye set almost, and then a really like contour.
It's like perfect for traveling, so you don't have to bring a bunch of palettes.
Yeah.
You just have one palette.
It's like really pretty.
Well, it's not too
it looks more intense in the
on
pan.
the pen, yeah. Because here it's not.
Those are nice summery colors.
Yeah. But that's exactly why I liked it, because I thought for traveling, like instead of bringing a blush, a highlight, a contour, and under eye set, like it all came in one, and it's already like significantly cheaper. So
all these things with the little yellow
holes
are what their special, right?
What their special was, yeah.
Cool.
And then I got the thing that I think most YouTubers give it back to me is the Barefoot Dreams. Where's the top? Oh, here. Like cardigan.
This is such a classic Karina sweater because she likes anything comfy, cozy.
You go into her closet, she probably has 30.
No, that's a lie. 2.
2?
I did throw
200.
one out.
200.
I threw one out. That big furry one that I got when I was in Holland. That one was.
Well, that's true. That did go to Goodwill.
Yeah. So, but this one was regular. Like before the sale, it's $160, and then during the sale, it's $106.
Perfect.
So, and I see, like, this is, whenever I watch YouTube videos and I see their Nordstrom haul, everyone always says that the one thing you need to pick up is this cardigan.
So what color is this? I mean, it looks cream, but in the store it looked different.
It's called Almond.
Almond.
They had a blue one there.
Almost like a denim.
Yeah, it was like a denim. I don't remember what the
yeah.
exact color of it was called, but yeah. So this is in the size small, medium.
Yeah.
Because they only had large, extra large, and my friend who works at Nordstrom was helping us, and she found like 22 of them in the back. So she grabbed me a small medium, which fits a lot better. And this is something you can wear like at home, like around the house, but I could also like in the fall, without a jacket, wear it to work, like with jeans and a t-shirt, or jeans and a tank top. So
yeah,
it goes both ways. And then I picked up a blanket.
Another blanket.
I just thought it was really soft.
This girl cannot stop buying blankets. She has a big problem. Every time, should I get it? Should I do it? Should I get another blanket? And we can't say no because she's gonna buy it anyways.
Doesn't matter.
But it was $29, regular $49.
Yeah.
So, I mean, and look how soft it is.
It's
so soft.
It is soft, but really? Now loud. Oh,
yeah, but just think, when I move out, I'll take it with me and then it won't be in the house anymore.
True.
And then I'll have a nice basket with my blankets rolled up.
When is that going to be?
Yeah.
Soon. And the last thing I got were BP shoes.
My favorite of her purchases.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, I think this is my favorite.
Nice, yeah.
So these are like, they're heels, but they're not like high.
They're like a little mule.
Yeah.
Like a little,
so they have like, it goes down lower. I don't know if it's easy to see, but it goes down lower in the front, and then it's got a peep toe in it. But it's a blush color. They have them in blush and black. And we thought blush was nicer because everyone has black shoes.
Too many black shoes.
Yeah.
So it's nice to have a different pair. Yeah.
So grab these ones. I don't remember how much they were. Doesn't say on the box, but they were like pretty discounted on sale.
Yeah.
And I didn't realize, but BP is like Nordstrom's.
Oh, so BP is.
Brand.
So the one, that was wrong then. This is,
Oh,
this is something different.
Yeah, that must be
this
something different
is,
then.
No, halogen. Nope.
So, but
BP.
these would look cute with jeans or a dress.
Yeah.
Or like a skirt.
Yeah, like a little boyfriend jean would be super cute.
Yeah.
And white tee.
Yeah.
White t-shirt.
So, yeah. That's it.
Dun, dun, dun.
That's all I
That
got.
was how you spend a lot of money in about 2 hours at Nordstrom.
And we were hangry at the end.
Yeah, these two were getting
Hangry.
very hungry. So, tip. You bring water
snack.
and you eat before you go.
Or bring a snack.
We did have to get some water over
Yes.
there.
Yes.
So that 2 hours, right? 2 hours?
Yeah, 2 hours.
Roughly?
We weren't really that impressed with the clothes. Like, you had good jeans, but like...
Yeah, the jeans were good.
I feel like the Canadian sale is
Not as good as
the American
Yeah.
one. Like, we picked up some stuff for my dad as well.
Yeah.
He got a nice pair of shoes and some Sperry's. But like, I just found like I was expecting more from the clothes.
Yeah, definitely the clothes. I was kind of disappointed to see too, like, when you look at the men's section, they have like Adidas stuff on sale, but when you go up to the women's section, they don't even have their Adidas stuff on sale.
No.
Like, nothing really like that attracts you to wanting to buy the clothes.
Yeah. I mean, there were a lot of sweaters, because I guess it is a fall thing,
it's
right?
for fall.
But it's like 100 degrees out here, so it's,
it's hard to shop for
you can't
fall.
get your head around buying sweaters. So maybe that's why.
Yeah,
You
but
know,
I
we
just
weren't
found
really
like,
looking.
like the t-shirts, I really like those t-shirts. They had them on sale for $11.90.
Yeah.
But like I put my hand in it just to see, and it's like completely see-through.
You can see through them. So.
And I wish they had like more sneakers too. Like, it was a lot of booties. I wish they had sneakers, because I think like sneakers are so perfect going into fall. And they didn't really have that many options.
Yeah. I feel like one year we need to make a trip to the States
For sure.
for the Nordstrom's pre-sale
Take a peek.
and see what they've got.
Well, it better be a good deal.
Yeah, with the exchange rate, it's
dollar
crazy.
change,
And
it's crazy.
the dollar needs to
Yeah.
But yeah.
become hard.
So that's
Anyways, that is it. That's all we bought.
Yeah.
I mean, it's a lot, but
Yes.
we haven't had a girls' shopping day in a very long time.
No,
So it was nice just to go. Except we did get a little hangry, so we're sorry.
They were so angry at the
Oh
end.
my gosh.
It's because we hadn't eaten since like 11.
o'clock. And
But you
we
know
were
when you're just
walking.
looking forward to shopping and then all of a sudden everyone's like angry.
I know. And I put my steps in today. I made my steps. I didn't have to go to the gym today. So I put in my time, but I was hangry.
Yeah, that's okay. We're all better now.
Yep.
Everyone has been
We've
fed.
got new clothes, new boots,
Now we
new
have to
makeup.
clean up this disaster and
Yeah.
break down the bags before Dad gets home. So that's it. That's what we got. I hope you all enjoyed this Nordstrom haul sale. The sale opens for Canadians on the 20th for like everyone. So if you're not a Nordstrom card holder, then you can shop on Friday, the 20th of we're in July, right?
Yeah,
20th
already.
of July. I think it goes till sometime in August, so there's quite some time, but I would recommend going earlier. Because last year I went with my friend Becca and we were like towards the end and it was like really picked over. Sizes aren't there. So if you're really looking for like, I think we scored big on the shoes.
Yes.
Like you
But
have
we
to-
started in the shoe section.
Yeah,
Well,
we looked at bags, but we weren't really
and
like
things,
looking for anything. But if you're gonna go to a section, I'd recommend like the makeup, cosmetics, and the shoes.
Yeah.
Those are the
100%.
two.
Yeah, these little things look like they were a good deal.
Yeah, like
These were a
you
good
should
deal.
go pick up the Beauty Blender set.
Yeah.
You can't have too many of them. You can never have too many beauty.
And actually, this was in the cosmetics section
Yeah,
as well,
it was,
which was kind of
actually.
weird. I don't know. But anyways,
Maybe it's because the fragrance was
could
there.
be. Yeah,
but-
so this was cosmetic
So
section.
yeah, so cosmetic and shoes would be like our two recommendations
Yeah,
to go to
100%.
at least first. But yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed our Nordstrom sale haul, and we will see you all next one. Bye!